I'm really digging One UI.
One UI is the cleanest Samsung experience yet.
This it's a breath of fresh air.
One UI is different, and that says something about the direction they're going.
I really like the direction Samsung is taking with their One UI software.
The software is now incredible. It's such an improvement, and it brings material design to the forefront. The aesthetic is way cleaner.
It's very, very smooth, and it brings everything down to make it more reachable with one hand.
The theme of keeping everything pretty low on the screen so it's easily accessible with one hand is really smart.
And that's the simplest, best implementation I've ever seen.
Not to mention, there's a dark mode too.
They're calling it night mode. It's just more comfortable to use, and it's covert.
I'm also still really enjoying One UI. I still haven't changed to using a launcher. Long may that continue. Good job, Samsung, with One UI.